Yes, team, welcome to today's walking workout, 15 minutes on the clock, and we're getting our steps in. Some Latin flavour music today. Let's start with marches on your right foot. It goes 1, 2, 3, join in, and 1, 2, there we go. Welcome to today's walking workout. If you're brand new to my workouts, guys, it's a low impact, fun way to get your steps in from the comfort of your own home. It so happens, the music choice today, this is my kind of flavour, this is my kind of style. We've got some Latin vibes going on here. So I want you to sit back, not sit back, get your feet moving. But I want you to relax in today's workout and add your own style to it. Let's go 4 step touches forwards. This is what I call our bridge step, okay? So if I shout a bridge step, it just means this is a step we are going into. It helps bridge our moves together, okay? And we've got a number of tracks, and each track is now a slightly different flavour to it, okay? Now, they've got a chorus, 2 steps forwards, 4 step behind. Step behind. Now, I call this on the pavement, off the pavement. On the pavement, off, on, step it behind, boom. Good, from here we're going to do 3 tonal waters, 1, and we're going to change direction to 3 steps, 1, 2, 3, toe, toe, change, 1, 2, 3, each direction we're going for, 1, 2, 3, good, bring it back home to marches, 1, 2. Now, don't worry if you're like, what the hell are the feet there? All my workouts are designed to get a little bit of challenging, so once you repeat the workout, you get more familiar with the steps, they get a little bit easier. Okay, so don't expect to nail it the first time, but as long as your feet are moving, you're doing this workout correctly. So if you're doing your steps, my steps, the workouts correctly, just keep your feet moving. Just so happens, I'm gonna add some little bit of style and flavour to this workout. So I like to make it a little bit more interesting than marching on the spot. Okay, from here, bridge step, good, 1, and feel free to start, loosen up. You're gonna add some arms in here. Woo! Let's go again. 1, 2. From here into our chorus. On the pavement, off the pavement. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Step it forward. 1. Let's step it behind. I'm gonna add in an arm now. Boom. Ha. Woo! Repeat and 1, 2. Ha. Ha. 1, 2. Boom. Let's do a tonal water combination. It goes 1. Change direction. 1, 2, 3. Tap, boom, ha. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Excellent. From here, back to marches. 1, 2, 1, 2. Now, as the track changes, we're going to change the vibe. So sit back on this. Now watch me for the step. 1, 2, stop, touch. 1, 2, tap. Touch and 1, 2, tap, touch. Woo! And what I'm doing is sitting back onto this back, wait, back. 1, 2, touch. It's just a little slight delay there. Okay, we're going to go into a little bridge step, but this is 1, 2, take it back for 4, 2. We're doing a little double time speed here. 1, 2, 1, 2, take it back, 1, 2. Repeat this. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, take it back, 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. And this is our chorus, but we're going to the side now. It goes 1, 2, 1, 2, middle, 1. Woo! 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and ba, 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 and woo! 1 and 2 and ba. It's all to the music, guys. Now we're going to change the tempo to get back to our little marches. 1, 2. Woo! We've got some dynamic tempos in this workout as well. Okay, from here, let's take it to that little delay step. 1, 2, touch, boom, and 1, 2, 1. Woo! And you can add whatever you want in here. Boom, 1, 2. Okay, little bridge step. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Take back, boom. And if you sit on that music, it just feels so nice. 1, 3, repeat, and 1, 3. Woo! Okay, chorus. Same step to the side it goes. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Center, boom. Boom, ba, 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 boom. Then we settle in the middle to boom. Woo! Ba. Again, you can add your own little flavour. You want to take it back. Ba. Or center, boom. Okay, let's take it to little marches. Flick. Woo! Yes, guys, we are looking good. Okay, we're gonna add a little delay step on third step. 1, 2, 3. Bah. 1, 2. Woo. 1, 2. Bridge. Bah. Bah. Take it back. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 3. Take it back. Count 1, 3. Repeat. 1, 2. Take it back. 1, 2, 3. Repeat and 1. Into our chorus. 3, 2. Ba 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 ba. Center. Woo! 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Guys, you are smashing this. I know feet are fast here, but I like to challenge you. Okay, from here, little step tap, ha, boom, boom. We're gonna sit here, okay? 2, 1, 2. Nice little chilled step tap here. Now from here, let's take it into little step touch. Step, boom. Now my step touch is a little bit wider. Step touch a little bit tighter. Woo! Well, okay, from here, we're gonna do a little side, double. It goes side, double it up. 1, 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 1, 2. Okay, from here, 4 dig steps forward to go center. We're going to follow the center line. 4 going back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take it forward. 1. Hey! Okay. This step, our chorus, a little lean step, a little groove. 1, 2, 3. We've got 6 here. 4, 5, 6. Walk it over. 1, 2, 3. Touch. 1, 2. We'll do 6 again. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Step, touch. Woo! Lovely, guys. Okay, we're going to side double. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Here it goes. Side, double it up. And I might just start switching up the style. You know what the step is, but woo! If you're doing it right, it should feel like you're just having a dance in your living room. 4 dig steps forward. Boom. 3, 4. Take it back. Down. 1. The great thing is you can take all these moves, put it on the next dance floor you go to. Okay, chorus, lean it out. Woo! Hey! 4, 5, 6. Walk it across. 1, 2, 3, and again. Now 1, 2, 3. It's simply 3 walks aside. Go. 1, 2, 3. Repeat and boom. Boom. 6. 1, 2, 3, and again. And boom. Woo! Yes, Steve. 5, 6. Walk it across. 1. Center. Well done. Breathe it in. Breathe it out. Woo! Into our chorus, you ready? Let's add some flavor to this now. You ready? Let's go. Boom. Hey. Ha. Boom. Boom. Take it across. 1, 2, 3. Boom. Breathe it in. Walk it across. Let's go. Woo. Boom. Take it across. Down. 1, 2, 3. Boom. 5. Take it across. Let's let this track finish out. Boom. Guys, well done. Breathe. We're going to let the track change. We're going to catch it up. You ready? To marches. 3, 2, 3, 2, 1. Go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's sit on this one. Woo! Okay. May you want to watch this first. It goes flick, 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 step, step, down, flick, 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 step, step, down. 1, 2, 3, back. 1, 2, 3, flick, step back, and 1, 2, 3, tap, tap, and boom, tap, boom, tap, tap. I messed up my own beat. 2, 3, and 4, and from here, take the flick marches. 1. So I call this a flick march because we're flick, 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 flick. Show you where it looks on the side. Boom, boom. I wasn't afraid to make mistakes here. Boom, boom. Because you're having fun. It's not about the steps, it's about getting us moving, right? Okay, double time step touches. One, touch, one, touch, one. One, touch, one, touch. Now, great thing with Latin music, there's so many different elements to the track. You get to change the tempo. Chorus, let's go. 1, 2, 3, tap, tap, and 1. Woo! Ha, ha, boom. I'll show you what it looks like from the side. 1, 2, 3, step, step, and 1, 2, 3, step, step, and 1, 2, 3. Hey! Stay here on flick marches. 1. Woo! Yes, team. Let's go. 1, 2. Let's groove it out. Boom, boom. Got a proper little dance vibe going on today. Breathe it in. Okay, from here, let's go to step touches, double time. 1, 2, 1, 2. Double time means we're doing 2 steps in the same time as a single step normally. 1 and 2 and. Chorus, you ready? Let's groove. Woo! Hey! Now I'm gonna make this step a little bit bigger now. Ha, boom, 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 ha, ha, boom, 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 ha. Woo! You can see how I choreograph this. I'm by myself, right? I'm just having a good time. Ha. Okay, from here, flick marches. Let's go. Boom, 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 boom. Breathe in. Sit back on that track. Big smiles. Boom. Ha. We're gonna let this track fade out. Woo! It's an opportunity to grab a sip of a drink. You've got 5 seconds. Well done, guys. Guys, we're gonna finish off with the last track. We're gonna go to town. We're gonna spike our heart rate. We're gonna have some proper Latin. It goes 1, 2, 3, touch. 1, 2, 3, touch. 1, 2, 3, touch. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Hey! 1, 2, 3, touch. Okay, from here, march it out. 2. Now we've got a little instrumental for this track now we're going into, because what we're going to do, this is like the final sprint of this workout. We're picking up the tempo into that chorus. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, touch and 1, 2, 3. You can add a little twist. 2, 3. Make it interesting for yourself. Spice it up. Try different moves, right? See what works for you. Okay, we're gonna do 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Ha. 1, 2, 3. Ha. 1, 2, 3. Ha. So it's like that little delay step, a little variation. Side on. Boom. Ha. 1, 2, 3. Ha. Boom. Woo! Hey. Hey! 1, 2. 1, 2. March it out. Okay. So you've got the slow version. 1, 2, 3, 4. You got that. I'm going to go to the fast version of this chorus. I'm going to encourage you to come join me. 4 extra counts. It goes. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Hey! Now you can do the slow version, right? I'm just going to spice it up a little bit now. Ba, 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 ba. Woo! 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 1, 2, repeat. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Ba, ba. Guys, can you believe it? We've already smashed 1,500 steps. I told you to go quick, right? When you're doing it to music you like, you're having fun, time goes so fast. Okay, let's go to that little groove step. 1, 2, ha, ha. 1, 2, boom, boom. I'm gonna be a little bit extra now. It's in my nature. 1, 2, 3. Woo! 1, 2. 1, 2. Boom. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. You should just be having fun with this, guys. Loosening up. Okay. Bring it back home to marches. 3, 2, 1. It goes. 1. Woo! Guys, you ready? Chorus. Double time or half time? Let's do double time. 4 extra counts. 3, 2, 1. It goes. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Hey! 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Guys, we're going to go into a final sprint now. Straight in, okay? You see the previous top corner. 3, 2, 1. Sprint out and sprint. Sprint, sprint. Everything you got to the end now. You've done all that work to make it work for you now at the end. Sprint, sprint. Keep going. Sprint, sprint. Got 4 extra counts. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Back, back, back. Woo! Guys, well done. Take your hands down and give yourselves a massive round of applause. If you enjoyed that particular workout and you want a Latin vibe, I've got a Latin 5,000 step walking workout, my membership, as well as a bunch of others. If that is your style, I've got variations of everything from 80s to 70s to disco to modern music to old school music. Go check out getfitwithrick.com. Guys, drop me a comment below. Let me know how you got on with this workout, what you want to see in future videos, and I'll see you at your next workout, baby. Team, I hope you enjoyed that workout. Now, if you want to add more steps, click right here. This will take you straight to another workout. Or click right here and let's go straight to cool down. Now, if you like that workout and you want to take it to the next level, you want to follow a program that's designed to get you results, make sure you go to getfitwithrick.com. We've got complete low-impact programs there, such as our body combat program, which is changing the game. The results people achieved is incredible. Make sure you like this video. Drop me a comment. Let me know what to see in future videos. And I'll see you at the next workout, baby.